welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna show you an alternative way to do a meeting online with your friends using an application that is free for use. There is no need to installation application or other payment. So the name of this platform is Jitsi. Okay, so let's move to the video. So the first step you have to do is open your Chrome and type Jitsi in the search field. And then click for this one. Okay, for the first look it will be like this. So to start your meeting, you can click this icon. See it in action, start a meeting. So okay guys, this is the first look in a Jitsi Meet. So as you can see in here, there's the option menu that you can click and see. These have many features that you can setting before you start the meeting. Example for the background, notification, profile, and the others. And then to start the meeting, you can enter your title, for example like this, meeting day 1, and start. Okay guys, this is the display for the Jitsi Meet. So you can add your name in here and you can invite your friends. So to start the meeting, you can click this, join a meeting. Okay, so we have done to join. We have done to create a meeting right now. So for the inviting people, you can add this icon, and then you can click this to share the link to your friends. So I will give the example for you. Okay, after you invite your friends to join in the meeting, you can click this icon to see the other feature in the Jitsi Meet. So for the feature, it has recording, streaming, share videos, audios, and anti-noises, and also you can choose the background setting. I will give the example for you to this record. You can click it now, and this you can choose where the file that you want to save it. Okay, start recording now. Okay.
Recording is on.
Okay. And then you can also share your screen into your friends by click this icon, start sharing screen. I will give the example like this one. You can click share and your screen is sharing right now. Okay, for the Jitsi meeting, it has a interesting feature that is called a breakout room. For to access it, you can click this icon and then you can click this one to add a breakout room. Okay, now the breakout room is all ready. Okay, there is another interesting thing about the Jitsi meeting. There is the limitation when you have or when you start a meeting using this Jitsi. You can see in the top of the screen there is a time limited, right? And now this is 7 minutes. And the interesting and also the cool thing, there is no the limitation or the maximum to the limitation, so you can have a meeting enjoyable and no worries about the time. You can also discuss many things with your friends and the others. That's all for the explanation of the Jitsi Meet and also the feature that is exists for in Jitsi Meet. So how about now? Are you interested to try the Jitsi Meet? Okay, that's all for the video today. I hope this explanation is useful for you. So see you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.